Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's a Portuguese one. So if you want to know how to do this add yours Instagram trend, then keep on watching. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram account, of course. Make sure that you are logged in. And from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then once you are here, you have to go to April 2022, add yours at highlights. Don't go into my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. And it's best to go to highlights at April 2022. Now you can click and tap until you find the desired sticker. You can also check my other viral trends if you like this one for example. So there we have it. Click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first I will do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo with you. I will go with this one. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and then share your story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go once again on my highlights to super viral. And from here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that if you are not able to click on the others button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.